Do you know many English words but still struggle to make sentences?
Don't worry. Today we'll practice 100 simple English sentences you can use every day.
These sentences will help you speak naturally at home, at work, and with friends.
Just listen, repeat, and practice with us.
Let's start speaking English together. If you learn these 100 English sentences, you can speak in most daily situations.
Morning sentences. 1. Good morning. 2. I just woke up. 3. I slept well last night. 4. I feel great today. 5. I'm a little tired. 6. What time is it? 7. It's time to wake up. 8. I'm getting ready for work. 9. I'm brushing my teeth. 10. I'm taking a shower. 11. I'm making breakfast. 12. I need some coffee. 13. Let's start the day. 14. I'm leaving the house now. 15. Have a great day. 16. See you later. 17. I'm on my way. 18. The weather is nice today. 19. It looks like rain today. 20. I'm ready for the day.
Great! Now repeat those sentences again. Speaking out loud helps your brain remember English faster.
Work/school sentences. 1. I'm a little busy right now. 2. I'll do it later. 3. Can you help me? 4. I don't understand. 5. Could you repeat that? 6. Please explain that again. 7. Let's start the meeting. 8. That's a good idea. 9. I agree with you. 10. I'm working on it. 11. I'll finish this today. 12. Let's take a break. 13. I'll send you the email. 14. Please check this for me. 15. I need more time. 16. I'm learning something new. 17. This is interesting. 18. Let's solve this problem. 19. Good job today. 20. See you tomorrow.
Great! Now repeat those sentences again. Speaking out loud helps your brain remember English faster.
Daily conversation. 1. How are you today? 2. I'm doing well. 3. Nice to see you. 4. Long time no see. 5. How have you been? 6. What are you doing today? 7. I'm going to the store. 8. I'll call you later. 9. That sounds good. 10. I understand now. 11. That makes sense. 12. I'm on my way. 13. Just a moment, please. 14. I'll be there soon. 15. Let's talk later. 16. Thanks for your help. 17. No problem. 18. I appreciate it. 19. You're welcome. 20. See you soon.
Great! Now repeat those sentences again. Speaking out loud helps your brain remember English faster.
Shopping/public places. 1. How much is this? 2. That's too expensive. 3. Do you have a cheaper one? 4. I'll take it. 5. Can I try this on? 6. Do you accept credit cards? 7. I'd like to buy this. 8. Can I get a receipt? 9. Excuse me. 10. Sorry about that. 11. Thank you very much. 12. Where is the restroom? 13. Where is the exit? 14. I'm looking for this item. 15. Could you help me find it? 16. I need some help. 17. That's perfect. 18. I like this one. 19. I'll think about it. 20. Have a nice day.
Great! Now repeat those sentences again. Speaking out loud helps your brain remember English faster.
Evening/home sentences. 1. I'm going home now. 2. That was a long day. 3. I'm tired today. 4. What's for dinner? 5. Let's cook something. 6. I'm hungry. 7. Dinner is ready. 8. Let's watch a movie. 9. I had a good day. 10. I learned something new today. 11. I need to relax. 12. I'm checking my messages. 13. I'm going to bed soon. 14. I'll sleep early tonight. 15. Good night. 16. See you tomorrow. 17. Sleep well. 18. Tomorrow is another day. 19. I'm ready for tomorrow. 20. Let's do our best tomorrow.
See you in our next lesson. Bye.